Alex, what you doing out there? What are you doing? What? Look at me.
I'm making treasure.
Really?
Yeah.
Alex, run in.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to get you.
But what about dinner? What about out to dinner?
Where are we right now?
We're at dinner.
Oh, sorry.
Dad, why don't you look at
Say something, Alex.
this mushroom?
Hey,
Look at this mushroom.
where are we?
At the beach.
What beach?
The rock beach. Rock. And this is my guy.
This is Brookings, right?
What?
This is Brookings.
Green.
Do you like this?
Yeah. Watch this.
Pretty, huh?
Watch this. Watch this.
Isn't it cold?
No, it's warm.
Can you look at me when you talk?
It's warm.
What's out there?